Here we have the new aluminum tilt 14,000 pound equipment trailer. It's got two 7,000 pound axles, all aluminum body, weighs about 2,000 pounds. Got 6 D-rings in the floor. There's 2 D-rings on the tilt portion of the bed, which is 16 foot long. This is the 22 foot trailer. 16 foot long tilt bed, and then a 6 foot long stationary portion up here on the front. Put your pallets, skid steer attachments, whatever you need to put on the front there. You got heavy duty D-rings and rub rails down the side. Heavy duty bed locks to lock the bed down when it's in travel. Both fenders are removable. You can pull them on and off. Got LED lights all the way around. Here you can see the heavy duty aluminum extrusion. Kind of a double tube aluminum tube in there. All my aluminum trailers use torsion axles. So like I said, these are 7,000 pound torsion axles, brakes on both axles. The 14Ks we only do in a gravity tilt. So you got this hydraulic cushion here, which cushions the fall back down, brings it down nice and easy. The tilt portion of the bed, a little bit narrower. Tilt portion is about 74, 75 inches. Overall, between the fenders, though, is about 80 inches. Your extra 2 D-rings there. Your heavy-duty tongue, 10,000 pound jack, and heavy-duty adjustable coupler. This is a brand new model Aluma just came out with. 22 foot, 14,000 pound gravity tilt.